Good day from the office of Torrance and Repair Appliance Tech. I am overjoyed to announce that our appliance repair, appliance sales, and appliance parts business has recently expanded our market to residential and commercial businesses in the state of Georgia. Dream big, they say, and big, we have indeed dreamed. As we proceed towards dominating the appliance repair, appliance parts, and appliance sales market, we look forward to welcoming the glorious fusion of brilliance and opportunities by joining hands with savvy, visionary investors like yourself, those able to see the untapped potential in our ambitious endeavor. Your investment will allow us to meet the mandatory requirements placed on us by having all proper tools, appliance inventory, and parts on hand in order to complete all repairs in a timely manner. As we prepare to serve the immense state of Georgia home and commercial appliance repair, appliance sales, and appliance parts market, we are excited to invite your active participation to scaling up our business to cater to the untapped potential markets beyond the city borders. This is your golden opportunity to be an essential part of a visionary venture that's set to redefine the appliance repair, appliance sales, and appliance parts landscape. As stakeholders, your contributions will play a key role in accelerating our growth and expanding our market footprint. We have invested heavily in state-of-the-art technology to revolutionize home and commercial appliance repairs, appliance sales, and appliance parts market. This new state-of-the-art technology places us at the forefront of the industry parts and appliance sales delivery system, partnering with major trucking delivery logistics companies, and with your help, it can take us to unprecedented heights. Investing in our appliance repair, appliance sales, and appliance parts enterprise not only propels us forward, but it also promotes a profitable business growth opportunity for you. Our predicted growth and return on investment are highly promising, reflecting a bright and secure future. With Atlanta already in our portfolio, next, we're aiming to serve a statewide market. Imagine the impact of our revolutionary service, touching millions of households and businesses across the state of Georgia, setting an unparalleled standard. We believe in creating sustainable solutions that boost local economies and contribute to the growth of local business owners. I'm inviting you to come, be part of a socially responsible venture that yields maximum profits with minimal investments. With our prospective partnership, we are not just looking at the monetary rewards. Together, we can set a new benchmark in the appliance repair, appliance sales, and appliance parts industry, while creating job opportunities and contributing profoundly to the state of Georgia's economy. With your investment together, we can create a legacy in the appliance repair, sales, and parts industry. Join us now in this monumental and rewarding journey, and together we can change the way the customers perceives appliance repairs, appliance sales, and appliance parts services. If you would like to know more about our vision and this potential opportunity, please don't hesitate to reach out to Torrance at 404-997-0551. Thank you for taking out time to view our vision for appliance repairs, appliance sales, and appliance parts services in the state of Georgia. Your success is our business.